Handyman's Ergo Kut strip and crimp snips can be used to cut almost anything. Paper, cardboard, sheet metal, look at that, just like butter, rubber, wire, and much, much more. The unique patented ergonomic design includes comfort grip handles and built-in springs to reduce hand fatigue. Plus, the 7-inch snips have a station for stranded wire stripping. And the 6-inch snips have a separate crimping and stripping station for 16 gauge and 14 gauge wire. Stainless steel blades resist corrosion, and the thermoplastic rubber handles are constructed for heavy-duty use. Give your hard-working hands a break and contact your Momar Handyman sales team member to order yours today.